Let's get started.
All right, guys. Also, as a bonus, once you get to the Mecca train station, I'm gonna tell you how you can jump on a bus. It'll take you to the closest point of a masjid al-haram, and you can walk 2 minutes and start your umrah for free of charge. So continue watching.
So it looks like the color changes. So dark green is economy, and then light green is business class.
Alright, so regarding entertainment, looks like there's like 6 movies. For audio, you got about 15 songs. It's a short journey, so I didn't expect much. Alright, with tickets, you can purchase it online. Very easy. They take credit cards. Surprisingly, they do not check ID when you get there. If you purchase it at the station, it's extra $5 per ticket, so just keep that in mind. So children are 50% off. That's the cost for children. Infant, non-seat, so they'll sit in your lap, they're 90% off. And then you can change your ticket or cancel it before departure, free of charge if you ordered it online, which is pretty cool. And don't be like me, take your passport with you when you go or buy a ticket at the station. You can do it at the counter, or you can do it at the kiosk. Kiosk is a bit funky, so you have to play with it, get used to it. But take your passport. Thank God I had a passport card. She was able to use that to give me a ticket. So when you book your tickets, when you see those brown things between the seats, that means it has a table. That's what it means, shared table. Got my own coffee.